Welcome to Leverage, the $1 Million Blueprint, where we're going to teach you not only how to leverage other people's money, but how to obtain properties free and clear through tax deed education. Tax deed is where you can get the property free and clear. And I'm going to show you where you can go and get these properties as low as $250. This is a list of where I went for an auction that started at a minimum bid of $100. And then I'm going to show you how you can utilize the tax deed investment strategy to buy and hold, fix and flip, or what I like is wholesaling, which is my favorite strategy, where you pretty much can make a minimum of $10,000 each deal. Then I'm going to show you how you can get a free list of multiple properties in various auctions in various counties. After that, I'm going to also show you where to go to actually bid on these properties and how to structure your bidding so that you can get an actual property for the price where you're going to guarantee a low risk and high reward. For more information on how to learn how to do tax deed education, please click the link in the bio, and I look forward to working with you soon.